Hey y'all, it's Debbie, Girl with Pearls. Welcome back to my channel. I am going to today walk you through how I decorated my sofa table and wall shelf for the 4th of July. I had originally done a whole video of me doing the actual decorating, but when I went to upload it, it was lost in cyberspace. So I thought I'm going to just bring you a video of me talking you through what I did, and I hope you enjoy it and don't find it boring. But anyway, I had fun doing this. I've been putting together a whole series of 4th of July decorating, and I hope you'll look at some of the other videos that I made. But this one was a lot of fun being creative because I shopped to my home. I only actually bought one thing, and that was actually a tutorial that I put together that you can look at, and I used some dollar store boxes, and I used some wooden stars and some letters USA, and you'll see them right there. And I did a whole tutorial on how I put that together, and that was a fun project. So basically what I did was create a vignette on that tray on the right, and then I printed out a sign that said Home of the Free because of the brave, and I put it in a black frame that I had shabbied, and I have a little metal star there. And on the shelf I swagged an Americana flag that I had, and then I used some of the pieces that I have that are Americana in my regular decor on my country hutch. And I added that metal tin star to a tobacco basket. Popped a few pillows in a wire basket below and put it in on top of my picnic basket, because what's summer without a picnic basket? And I used a cute country candle that I have red there, and some pillows. One is a star-shaped pillow, which I thought looked cute. And I basically went room to room, picking out things that were red, white, or blue that I could put together as that table runner on top of the table. I got it at a cute little store up in Maine years ago. And I just thought, it has stars, I'll use that. I started going through what I had. I really came up with quite a bit. And you know, if you shop your home or you repurpose some things, you'll be surprised at what you can put together really cheap to create a cute look for specific holidays. You know, for Christmas I do a lot of that, shopping my home and pulling things together and reusing things and repurposing things. And I love doing that. It always makes me feel good that I've saved money. And I know everybody wants to save money but still have things that are pretty. So I hope you'll come back and join me. And I'm wishing you and your family a happy and safe and fun 4th of July. See you soon, y'all.